Hello my dears. In the previous class we were discussing the chapter integers. Today we can deal with the last question number 9 of this exercise 1.3. Ninth question. Replace the blank with an integer to make this statement true. First question is minus 3 into dash equal to 27. We want to find out this blank. So imagine that the left side of this equal to sign is guessed and the right side of this equal to sign is host. Okay, so whenever a guest is going to the host place, host will be there. To find out this blank, just keep this blank as it is and then put equal to sign. After that, whenever we are going to a house, the host will be there itself. So here 27 is our host. So just write down 27 as it is. See, in between these two numbers we can see the operation is multiplication. When we are taking minus 3 to the other side, the operation multiplication should change into division. Okay, so 27 divided by minus 3. Okay, next one, question number B. 5 into dash equal to minus 35. Left side is guest and the right side is host. So just keep the blank as it is and host will be there itself. So just write down minus 35 as it is and just see what is the operation in between these two numbers. See, multiplication is the operation. So while we are taking this multiplication sign to here, it will change into division. So minus 35 divided by, what is the remaining number? 5 equal to, then minus divided by plus, answer is minus. So minus 7 is our answer. Question number C. 7 into dash equal to minus 56. This is guest side and this is host. Just keep the blank as it is and host will be there itself. So minus 56, and while taking this 7 to the other side, since it is multiplication, it should change as division. So minus 56 divided by 7 equal to 8, and then sign is minus divided by plus, answer is minus. So minus 8 is our answer. Question number D. Dash into minus 12 equal to 132. This is guest side and this is host. Just keep the blank as it is equal to and just write down 132, and in between these two numbers you can see the operation multiplication. While we are taking this minus 12 to the other side, it will change into divisions. Minus 12, 11, then positive divided by negative, answer is negative. So negative 11 is our answer. I hope you enjoyed my class. If you have any doubt about this question, definitely ask to me through comment box. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Signing off, Amy Bijoy from Max Ninjas.